Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the product Bankroll. Okay, so in this video I will tell you about Bankroll. I will give you a detailed review about this product, but I can't show you this product from inside because I have not accessed this product from inside. But one of my main purposes is to show you my bonuses. My bonuses is valued kind of $6,397, and this is an approximate value. I will show you that why I am telling that my bonuses is more than this, and it will be given to you totally free from my side once you have brought the Bankroll front-end product from my side. Okay, so in this video I will give you a detailed review about this product. Okay, what is this product about and would this product be fitting for you or not? I will tell you about that kind of stuffs. Okay, so this is Bankroll and this is the product cost. So before getting into the product cost, let me start with that what is this product. So this is a totally A to Z step-by-step blueprint for generating quick and easy profits using nothing but free traffic. Okay, so what you can do that with this product, that you can just you will get in this product, inside this product you will get a video tutorial. You will get so many tutorial videos, and via those tutorial videos you will be learned that how can you get so many traffics from abundant content. Okay, I don't know what is this exactly, how this product works exactly, but you can get from abundant content kind of websites. Those are created within 2000s, on the year 2000 or 2001, 2002, and they are not anyone not using them. Okay, so via that kind of websites or anything else, I don't know exactly, but from abundant content you can hack so many things, and the loopholes are known to the owner, and they have just made the videos and they have published the course. Okay, so inside that video tutorials you will get that kind of tools, and they are just promising that you will get hundreds of sales, thousands of views, and multiple leads, quick sales, and kind of that kind of stuffs. Okay, so this product is really very ridiculously cheap. Less than that a large pizza. As you can see, this costs only $12.95, and it has also a downsell. You can use this also. So this is the for demo you can use the downsell also. So this is the product, and now let me show you my bonuses. Okay, nothing to say. Okay, just let me clear you the sales funnel. So the upsell one is Bankroll Pro, which costs $27, and that will show you over the shoulder case studies, and unlimited usage of software will be given to you. Okay, so that means the front end product is not giving you the unlimited usage of software, but under the OTO one or upsell one you can get the unlimited usage of software, and also video studies, case studies, tutorials. That means the front end section also covered up, and also you can get an automated software within the OTO one. And the next one is Bankroll DFY, which can show you so many stuff. So you can go through the description by visiting this page, because I don't want to make the video lengthy. Okay, so and also basically I really want you to visit this page if you are really want to buy this. Okay, so this is the next upsell, which costs $97, Bankroll traffic, and it has a downsell also, kind of $77, and Bankroll reseller is the next upsell, which costs $77 and downsell also $57. And the next one is Bankroll Mastermind, which costs $77 and downsell $57. This product has so many upsells and downsells. Okay, so the Bankroll bundle costs $67. This is the last upsell, and the downsell costs $47. Okay, so these are the bonuses, and these are the main things, the main part I want to show you inside this video. So you can see that for so many bonuses I have put here the images, and for so many bonuses I have put here the images, and also a little description beside the product, because same thing is boring, but these all of the bonuses, all of the 50 bonuses are just an example. Okay, so what is the surprising thing is you are getting many more than 50s. Okay, so you are getting more than 350, more than 300 bonuses. Okay, so as mega bonuses I have put here 300 bonuses. This is a smart work, cause it will be so tiring for me to mention all of the bonuses, and it will be time taking for me also, for you also, to read them, to write them for me. Okay, so that's why I have put 300 plus bonuses as mega bonuses, and I have put 50 plus as an example. Okay, so you are getting 350 plus bonuses inside just 12 bucks or 13 bucks. Okay, so these bonuses are also kind of same kind of plugins, kind of SEO stuffs, software, kind of video case studies, and also recently I have introduced images. Okay, and musics were previously there, and you are getting 25 plus loop musics and also 10,000 plus images. Okay, so what you have to do that after purchasing the product, you have to go through your purchase history option inside Warrior Plus, and you will get this blue button, and via this blue button you will be redirected to these bonuses and also the product. So that was the overview of this product, and I am signing out for the day. So bye bye.